Hey, I'm Johan with 808s and Coltics, and I'm here at Hot Pink Saturday at the Faces Skateshop. Come check it out. Hey, I'm Johan with 808s and Coltics, and I'm here with...
Grass, Bailey,
Crab Thomas,
Aiden,
Bradley,
Zach,
Elijah.
What is it that you do?
I make clothes, I upcycle things, I make stuff from scratch too. I just have fun with it basically.
I just make stuffed animals, all handmade, all hand sewn.
How long have you been doing it?
Probably like a year or two now.
So here I like to screen print. I do everything in-house. Got a whole press in my garage that me and my homie have.
I've been altering my clothes and upcycling some things for 5 or 6 years probably, but I got serious about it maybe 2 years ago. I started my brand Scrap Hacker I think about a year and a half ago, so it's been more recent that I've been really serious about it.
So what is it that got you into making?
I just really liked clothes. I've always liked fashion, and eventually I got really cheap. I didn't want to spend money on crazy clothes anymore, and I realized it would be easier if I made them myself. So
I've always created, I've always painted ever since I was little.
I've always been into fashion as a kid, and then during COVID when the whole lockdown and everything was happening, I just really got into printing and doing stencils, so I'd paint on clothes, and that basically evolved into me getting into screen printing and then just printing on various things for fun.
How do you think the event's been going so far?
I thought it was super fun. I mean, I'm excited for the band to play. I didn't know what to expect about the skate video, and that was fucking awesome. I thought that was great. Lots of really cool people that I've got to talk to, so it's been great.
I think it's super fun. I really liked it.
Honestly, it was pretty lit. I mean, Faces is putting together a great event. Having the community together in different aspects, like the music, the videos, and the art, I think that's different, that's different. That's cool. Yeah, Faces is lit.
Oh, the event's crazy. I can't believe all these people showed up. It's amazing that I got my friends to perform for me, and then people came to see us. It's a really crazy experience. It feels really nuts.
great event, good video, cool skating. They had food. That was pretty dope.
Free pizza. Radical.
I'm Johan with 808s and Coltics, and I'm here with...
Lorenzo.
Justice.
Jack.
I'm Mason. Zach.
What instruments do you guys each play?
I play bass.
I play guitar.
I sing.
I also play guitar.
I play drums.
How did you become a band? Where did it all start?
So me and Zach used to play in a garage for 6 months, and then we just started playing with Mason a bit, and slowly just actually locked down some songs and got it all together. So just slowly just became its own thing.
So where did your guys' passion come for music? Where did it all start?
I'm honestly gonna say skate videos, literally this is the root. I was literally just watching skate videos and a cool song would be on and be yo, this shit's sick as fuck.
What did you guys think about the event so far? How do you guys think it went?
I think it was awesome, yeah.
Yeah?
Awesome. It was so much fun. All of our friends put this shit on. It was really awesome.
Do you guys have any plans for this coming year?
I think we're just working on just new stuff, just taking it slow, not in a rush for a bunch of new music at once. So just an album or something.
Hey, I'm Johan with 808s and Coltics, and I'm here with...
Sagebae.
Jerry's Small Pants.
So what is it that you do?
I make upcycled clothing, so I take thrifted clothes, cut and sew them, print on them, draw on them, just a bunch of different stuff with it.
I direct little short films. I'll do a little bit of acting and just be silly online, I guess.
How long have you been doing it?
I've been doing this one for 10 years now.
Been silly my whole life. We met in woodshop class in middle school, and we were just bonding over Wiz Khalifa. That was pretty much how we met, and then he just kept doing clothes, and I would just keep doing videos.
What do you guys think of the event overall?
I'm shocked. I didn't expect it. It's awesome.
I think it's sick. I'm really stoked how it's looking. I want to thank Andrew. I don't know if he's here. Andrew, got some journalism.
Hello.
This is the owner of Faces Shop.
Who are you?
My name's Johan. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. What is it that you do?
Own this skate shop, and then I coached for Team USA for the Olympics.
How long have you been doing it? What got you into making the shop?
Just Arizona needed a less crusty vibe, so wanted to start something new, and It's been fun.
And final question, what do you guys have going on for this coming year?
Probably gonna do maybe like a full-size movie. No more short film. Maybe one more skate video though. So.
Yeah.
A lot of travel, Olympic qualification coming up, so.
Keep doing the same thing, making clothes and doing this.
If they had the event next year, would you guys come?
For sure. For sure. Very fun.
We go to every event that has skateboarding. Oh yeah, for sure.
1000%. Yeah.
I'll pop out.
And that has been Hot Pink Saturday at the Faces Skate Shop here in Tempe. Thanks for joining us, ladies and gentlemen, and have a great night.